So, you think you don't need a TMS? Or maybe they're exclusive to large companies. These types of thoughts are wrong, and it is hurting the industry and most importantly, you. If you are okay with constantly getting bad freight, losing time and money, and begging brokers and shippers for rates, hoping you won't be replaced, well, that's fine. You can stop watching this video now. But if you want to see how all trucking companies, no matter the size, need a TMS to change and improve, then I'll show you how. A transportation management system, or TMS, is not only used to improve your customer's experience. It brings organization to your company and gives you the tools necessary to grow and scale to that growth. If you see companies around you constantly adding trucks and getting a lot of business, more likely than not, they have some sort of TMS in place that helps them out. You see, companies with a TMS grow not only because of the organization and experience they give to their customers and brokers, but due to the fact the time that is saved can be invested in other parts of their company, opening doors for that expansion. And we all know, time equals money. So the big question is, how exactly does a TMS help my company? Let's start from your customers, the shippers and brokers position. Everything begins with a call. Without a TMS, one of your team members needs to call the broker, see if the freight is available, and try to work out a deal. Already, you have wasted time and money, many times without successfully getting the freight. With a TMS, the system takes all your available trucks and sends the information to all of your customers and tells them it is available. In this seemingly small step, you are now not wasting the customer's time, thus building a better relationship with them because you are saving them resources. This means they will come back to you over another carrier. Since these calls are no longer necessary, here is how you can save on time. Let's say you work with an average of 20 shippers and brokers, and an average call with each is 15 minutes. 15 minutes times 20 shippers or brokers equals 300 minutes or 5 hours wasted. Imagine what you can do with 5 hours saved. And if you need to make a call, it will be to say thanks for doing business. What do customers, specifically shippers, want to see from you? Shippers are always looking for automation. This means they are using a TMS in their operations. So guess what? They will want a carrier with a TMS as well. Pretty simple. And why is this? Because this saves them time and money, and they do not want to deal with companies that can't handle their automation since they invested in it. And if you don't, you are out of business and forget about growth. So where do the savings and profits come from using a TMS? First step is getting the rates and quotes. These need to be processed electronically, not over phones and email. If their TMS can communicate with yours, like Almost TMS, that saves them time and money, and now you have a repeat customer and you can sustain the growth with them. Next, after selecting you as the carrier, the load tender information is sent via EDI and API, a secure channel where information won't be stolen or lost. This gives them the peace of mind their information is secure and they have saved time and money. Visibility. Your customers, the shippers, want to see where their freight is. Imagine you ordered something from Amazon and didn't get visibility on the shipment status. You would be frustrated. Your customers feel the same way, and we are talking about goods that are a lot more expensive. Not to mention again the time and money wasted on calling to get the status. With the TMS, your customers get the visibility and peace of mind information is being processed through a secured network. And since your customer is happy with the process and doing business with you, they will keep coming back. The main point is having a TMS is no longer just for large companies. Every company, from one truck operations to 10,000, needs to be a part of this network of TMSs, because it's what the industry is calling for. Almost International TMS is that multi-form system that will give you a simple solution to this currently complex problem. With low cost of ownership and big return on your investment, you will put your business into a whole other level. Here's a couple of those tools Almost International TMS provides to make your business better than others. As you go through our website, you will be able to see more in-depth information about our features and even go through a step-by-step scenarios for carriers and brokers. Load board integrations with AutoDial. Almost TMS is not a load board itself, but we have partnered with some of the largest load boards out there like DAT, Truckstop, and 123 Load Board. Almost TMS allows you to run all of these load boards in one screen, and then have the system search for you and allow you to AutoDial to contact your client even faster. Then, you will be able to save information about the freight like quoted price and comments for later use. This will save you countless hours of scanning different web pages, making phone calls, and trying to get your freight. Single point of data entry. Since we let you connect with your client's TMS directly through API and EDI, you will not have to enter data anymore. That data, once entered, is always in the system and accessed by those who you give permission to. No more telling your team what time the pickup is or trying to find it somewhere in an email. It's all there right in front of you in the system. If no EDI or API is used, no worries. You will still be able to enter the route information fast because our integrations and saved templates, items, and customer addresses along with the branch system allow you to configure each one of your clients, making sure you save even more time. Once you are ready to dispatch, the system will automatically calculate your driver's pay and internal expenses. And all you have to do is click tender. No more texting and calling to confirm information and explain the route. Remember, enter the data in once and the system sorts and sends it automatically. Not only that, drivers can communicate with the dispatchers through their mobile app and upload documents that go directly to that route's file. Because ELDs are mandatory, this is a huge advantage because we integrate with these systems, allowing you to have real-time updates on where your fleet is. Set the system to how often you want your clients to receive automatic updates based on that ELD information, or the driver can update their status with the mobile app. No more calling to get the location and then contacting the client to update them. The system does that for you. Remember, automation is key for saving time and money, and to make your customers happy and build a better relationship. Last step is customer invoicing and driver payroll. Almost TMS allows you to pull all necessary data from the route and automatically invoice your customers and create payrolls for your drivers, without having to retype your information into another accounting software. The communication with your customer through our email integration and API integrations with softwares like QuickBooks and Xero means you get paid quicker, which leads to better cash flow and bigger profits. You can now see how Almost International TMS is not only designed to give a solution for large companies, but for the smaller guys as well. You will get the tools that make you more profitable and give you your time back so you can use it to grow your company or spend more time with your family instead of processing paperwork. Our team of experts would be happy to get connected with you and show you more how Almost International TMS will make your company more profitable. Or you can browse our website and see all of the tools offered. Remember, the industry is moving to standardize this automation, so might as well get a head start. We hope to hear from you soon.